Protecting your online shopping experience is crucial in today's digital world. As e-commerce grows, so do security threats like SQL injections, brute force attacks, and data poisoning are more and more concerned. We've built a platform to test and strengthen our defenses, but it's not just about the website. We're also empowering users to safeguard their shopping habits from the website's machine learning algorithms. Now, we will show how to conduct attack and build defense on the website. Part 1. Here we will show how to use SQL injection to bypass the authentication system without password. The first method is called as comment method. Just add the comment sign after the username. The second method can be called as or 1 equal to 1, where the SQL will return all the user information, and believe it was the user whose ID is 1 logged in. Except bypassing the authentication, it also could steal the product list from the database. Both of them are trying to make use of the vulnerability of SQL grammar, misguide the SQL statement, make it believe the user input has satisfied the login requirement. Except manual injection, we can also use the code to conduct it. Finally, the defense method is relatively simple, which is called as parameterization. Instead of directly embedding the input into the SQL statement, we treat these input as parameters, which is enough for the login system. Part 2. Another method to bypass the authentication system is brute force attack. Provided with a list of common usernames and passwords, we can write a script to try different combinations of usernames and passwords. After some attempts, the script will find a successful combination, allowing to breach into SO. Another possible method includes trying a combination of characters for the username and password. However, this method is much slower as there are many possible combinations. To defend the website against this attack, we set a limit in the number of attempts that can be tried before banning the IP address. Part 3. The third attack we consider is the user privacy attack. Instead of just defending the website's interest, we also tried to think from the customer's view. As the website collects all the searches performed by the user and stores it in a database. This data is cleaned, outliers are removed and further pre-processed and modified to train a machine learning model. The machine learning model performs a RFM analysis, which stands for recency, frequency, and monetary value. With these features, the model classifies the customers into groups. We use the elbow method, silhouette score, and Davies bolding metrics to estimate the number of groups. One of the possible defense mechanisms against privacy attacks can also be considered an attack itself. That is, data poisoning. Part 4. Data poisoning can be considered an attack or a defense mechanism depending on which side you look at from. It consists of an attack against training data of machine learning models. The attack is a simple automated script that performs many search queries, polluting the data collected by the website. To defend the website against this type of attack, we implement a captcha to protect the database from automated scripts. We require users to complete a captcha, which can be changed if the text is unclear. Another passive defense mechanism against this attack includes noise reduction and outlier removal present in the pre-processing steps of training machine learning models. Part 5. Although each attack can be an individual threat and cause severe consequences, it is when they are combined and exploited together when they can cause the most damage. To run a combined attack to the website, we can exploit SQL vulnerabilities or brute force to login, do SQL injection to obtain the list of all products, and perform data poisoning with that list. Finally, you can find all the individual attacks and the combined attack in the attack file. Find the website without any defense system in the unsecure website file. And find the website with all defenses in the secure website file. It is important to build robust mechanisms against these kind of attacks to ensure that users and businesses can have a secure and pleasant experience when shopping online.